hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
So the bar they say to them hope they find a phone. And you go down there, ask for money, I will have some bike or I will buy, not a girl I will buy. And who could come and buy to the family to make some more money. And who can nice and nice. Vice versa love. This one bag of excitement that could have been there for Corona. I don't know Corona fucking government money, prime minister know. The whole fucking world know. But we sit down every day going like we are in that. The whole of it is a bunch of fucking that takes harder from a little batty what we call himself. Then you never care what I mean. I know sense. Man America tell him what to do. You have to run away in blood clot, no so on the road and you to drive. You don't even on the road to drive and only take one and use no like one fucking idiot. Me, I never vote to one batty boy in the world. Not one of them. I don't even know them upset with this spirit in me. Our blood clot, tell them I told them batty thinking germs in wife that. No boy can't send me on my bed. No boy. A boy can know that. They're going to prime minister, they're going to no blood clot boy from the kid. No boy can't send me on my bed. I want to go fucking somebody that wants to tell me that him to come tell me that. I want to tell him to come drive in the people and send people at the bed. Make me see if I send me on my bed. No boy from the face of the earth can't put on my bed and kill. Me is ready. Tired of them, man. I want to know it too. I want to follow you up on the fuck people. I want to know so I follow it to man. Well, mass, all of it, you don't know a police. You don't know a style every God Almighty day. So we don't have a mass. Bad police are pretty cheap with gun pound on this one have a mass. You know, tell the man, so you know, a black in a black road. That's it, you know, say. You know, buy one bag of pretty cheap because Corona come out, because Bill get you no money now. This. So you come so now, and you get pretty cheap, you good now, buy your quick. Remember some of the time people who say that, you know, we don't see who not kill blood clot next year. Now every night, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, you come to that kind of place. No boy can send me no bed. I would have tell the prime minister.
Look more. I really think I tell him, man. Look more.
No prime minister, no boy.
Look more, boss, man.
Tell him, say, me tell him that.
Wow. Well. Wow. Well, people, this video was sent to the attacking boss. See? I now go tell us so this happened today. I now go tell us it happened yesterday. But this video was sent to attacking boss. And you say what go on, you know say a curfew thing on. Well, we have the rights and we have the no rights. See? Because I'm not going to be honest, people. I'm not picking a side with nothing. Because we know people go on there and say attacking boss to support this. Truthful level, man speak some reality thing, no joke. You understand? Especially the part where I'm say, when you much night and people dead, you know see them come till the next day. You understand? When shot a fire and this and man do that. But now, you see them every night through this thing, whatever, because easy thing for them just come, see some man on the road and say, come off fire road. You know what I mean? But when they hear say this a bus and something, you don't see them. Well, you know the next thing, there's a one who they call name respect and how you deal with situation and how you use the words then we are come out of your mouth, and especially to the law enforcers. Zine? So that are the two sides of my go on. But on a real level viewers and subscribers, Zine, they understand there say there's pandemic a go on, there this COVID a go on. But you say we told me see it and me I go be honest and me say it in another vlog, Zine. So now I go hear me say it more than once. I think that we Caribbean countries are the real dunce. Our leaders are the real dunce to the whole thing what go on. No joke about it. Yeah. Them the last behind everything. Zine? And that's why if anything shall happen, people, or if something where them have a cover up, we are go fail. Or we are go get knocked. Because we are getting tricked. Zine? Because some rule where them are coming with this thing in our people. It don't make no sense. Zine? And this is one thing I can say every day. See, the same way they say can spread in the night are the same thing a day. If the people can't find ways and means how to gather in the night, them do it in the day. Because I have seen where people have much flyer advertise and I say party a keep a day. You know what I mean? They have morning party now. They have afternoon party now. They have their little secret location where they come send them group and them do their thing. See? So, why I don't know people. And two of my seat, you see, the less fortunate them, they are the one who mostly affected by this thing. You understand? Because the one them have the money people, them are affected, you know. But you see the little poor man with hustle at night, zine, jerk him little chicken at night. The little man who used to come out in the night because the police then depended on the street in the day. And then look at Ankiata and certain people. Then can't make nothing again. You get what I'm saying? So look on this thing. If this thing shall continue like this, people, look into what me are saying, right? And this is a reality we are dealing with. Because we are going through this over a year now. And the same thing keep on and repeat itself. You are going to hear say, curfew, this and that. And if this thing shall continue go like this, people, same way, just imagine how much people are going to suffer. Just imagine, that's how you're going to find the things and the rate of crime and violence going up more and more. Because the people, they can't find the resources what them used to use to gain an income, people. They cannot do it no more, and it lead them because, number one, they have woman to feed, they have picnic to feed, they have a little side one around the corner they stuff to feed, plus they have themselves to feed, plus some of them still take care of mama and papa. Zine, how them are going to survive? You get me? When you just hear the PM who have fame big old mansion pan the hill up there, so fame opposition now, feed that they want the minister and that they want they have feed them thing well set and have them out them fridge well stack of food we are wait for y'all next year if it come to a food can done, right? When they look a poor man on this ungle if you live off a hand to mouth and a feed and a take care of yourself and your family, how them are gonna survive? Only thing I hear them come on TV and then do this and then make their rules and then comes a boom and send it out there on the media and run with it. Then they say that I go lock down on the country and the people have to work with it. Honestly, a lot of people are suffering, you know. See, God bless the few people who are growing and help and still push out something. God bless the people overseas who are send back something and give them a charity organization there, who in Jamaica and still are growing and chop off a little thing and give people them. Because a lot of people are affected by this. See, because in the night time, that's where you have a lot of hustler. And you see where police still pressure the people if they are hustling in the day. You see police are mash up them car in the day. You see police are take with them goods in the day and a dash in a van back. Honestly, people, when you look into them things, we left it where people left to do. So, you think me I go blame all this man if he speak out? Me not go blame him. People fed up. See? And then I go hear now, them I go tell her this and tell her that and tell her that. They not dealing with people good. They're not dealing with people good. They might invest so much millions in other things are not even necessary right now. See? And the money where they might invest in those things, those money can take and help the people them. Give them $5,000 again and make them go buy a little grocery again. Even though they can't buy nothing, but at least they can do something. See? Terrorize the people them. The same people used to hustle in the night then, people. See? If they go in the day, go set up them thing, them lick it down and them mash you up and then take you away. So how them are going to survive? Be honest, people. God bless you now where they overseas. God bless you around there so you can help yourself. God bless you because taxi business do you do. God bless you because you have a shop where you run a day so you don't have to do a night. But think about the other people who hustling at the night. Think about them too now. There's a lot across Jamaica at night time them hustle. Because if them go out in the day, police do like we somebody with the brother from Port Marody and how you see them mash up in yard. I have seen a video where police take the people who sell them local clothes on the side and take you and dash in a van. And if you see them go get back them clothes there, then take you and go get them little girl around there so you understand and go sweet them up when they want if you go eat out some things. That's how them are dealing with the thing, people. See? And a straight attack for the system. It's wickedness. It's crueltiness, no joke, people. What about the less fortunate? What about the man who hustle at night? Come on, what about them? Zine? We understand this COVID thing, but me tell the people, we in these region, the our leaders are the tons to it. Look how USA are dealing with them thing. Zine? Yes, England in a lockdown because them, you know how them for them thing go already. Zine? For them thing is different, but think about us. When then we have the, you know, many people want jumping back to certain things, because this I got cost one bag of lentil. I mean, I talk, but me talk already, people. Alright, let me just do a quick saying. When then did have election and they want to do this, don't them campaign and they do something. But no, why them do this to the people? And I got things that they love, you know. You things that they love, you know. And I see them when time come, so they go fling on the clothes and they go jump in a bus and they go laugh and hold up bush and you're shower, power. Right now, I should have pick up for some money, you know. Because some money are fool. Reality. I should have pick up for some money, you know. But there's a true NEWLINK of the attacking boss. And I mean defend the ghetto people, them. And I mean stand up for them. And that's why I can't left for them. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing of people. If you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. Ping! So as a video drop, you'll get them. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK_production official. Because if you not follow the thing, then people, you're in a trouble. You're in a problem. Make sure you follow the thing. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe. Attack.
Good class. No, but show me the neck. I'm take shit for the man.
Go to the station.
I'm moving, boom.
Go to the station, chief.
Yes, sir. Yeah, master man. I make it back, man. I tell them to come back on my shop. I tell them to go to the station. Yeah, master.
Driver, you can't drive now, look.
Driver, you need to comply with the police.
Yeah, man. If you say, man, I go on the station, man. But I will, man.
Yeah, them man, that's it.
I'm mash up. Me and them coming, I'm mash him up. Let's hear man, I said that. Take him away,
Alright, mommy, speak up, mommy, speak up. Speak up, mommy. Speak up, mommy, speak up.